Urore kamera ĩrĩa wĩre Martin one thing ũtarĩ wamwĩra thĩinĩ wa mũtũrĩre wake.
Ai, ũndũ itarĩ ndamwĩra?
Kaũndũ ũtarĩ wamwĩra sweet.
Ai, nilishamwambia jana usiku.
Tucoke thutha hanini. Wauga no wekire languages kadhaa. No twende kũmenya nĩ irĩkũ na ũtũhutĩrie akorwo no ciririkane.
Ndekire TOEFL. TOEFL ni Gĩthũngũ. Unajua ukitaka kusafiri hizo countries kwanza za wazungu za kuongea Kizungu lazima ukuwe na uto tu papers na gika Kijerumani.
Abogeithie rori na Kijerumani.
Yako ndiraririkana Vigate SDA. Uko niko mwe muhana atia.
Kwĩra mũndũ nĩ ngwendete.
Ich liebe dich. Ich liebe dich.
Ich liebe dich.
Dich, sio dich.
Gatho cia munyaga kunyita ũgeni muthenya wa ũmũthĩ gũkũ nĩ gwa Kururia TV nĩ njĩtagwo Jojo wa Kamau na ngwĩraga nĩ kuka chonjo kama Jonjo na angĩkorwo nĩ rita rĩaku rĩa mbere gũkinya gũkũ kanyamũ ka red karĩ hau kandĩkĩtwo subscribe kana free no kũhihinya na wĩka ũguo ũkoragwo subscribe na muthenya wa ũmũthĩ twarekondera handũ hetagwo Race Garden. Haha nĩ handũ ha gũtabania magongona we wĩna ũhiki we wĩna birthday party we wĩna harambĩ kana igongona o rĩngĩ nĩ handũ hega hahoreru makĩria mariganĩtie na cukuru mũnene wa NIBS barabara-inĩ ya Thika Road. Wakinya hau ũkorwo ũkĩmarĩria na mũthenya ũmũthĩ tũrĩa ũrakĩona twĩna nyarari thaka mũno. Hihi nĩ mũmonete harĩa nĩ cia ũkinyanĩria etagwo Biti Wamaitha. Hihi na nĩ mũirĩtu ũkĩrĩ mũthaka na no mũtumia na no mami wa ciana no macio mothe tũkorwo tũkĩmenya. No mbere ndaya tũmũnyite ũgeni gũkũ nĩ gwa Kururia TV. Ũhoro waku?
Mwega mũno.
Kaire tuthiĩte na mbere ndĩrenda wa mbere ũrore kamera ĩrĩa ũgeithie mwĩroreri wa Kururia.
Okay, mwĩroreri wa Kururia TV wĩ mwega, njĩtagwo Biti Wamaitha.
Biti Wamaitha, the famous Biti. No twende kũmenya rĩtwa Biti Wamaitha rĩaumire kũ?
Njĩtagwo Beatrice Wamaitha. No ngĩkũra ndakorire ngĩtonia cũcũ witũ manjĩtaga Biti. So kuma tene ndĩ kanini ndoire ndĩ Biti. Ni short form ya Beatrice.
Okay. Na no athakara mũno na mafans aku nĩ makoretwo makĩũria atĩrĩrĩ Biti Wamaitha rĩ anakorwo na interest ya gũkorwo akĩingĩra thĩinĩ wa fashion?
Yeah, a lot. Kuma nguo na products ya beauty gũtirĩ ũndũ itageretie.
Na no twende kũmenya kũrerwo gwaku rĩ growth yaku primary school high school yahanaga atĩa?
Ilikuwa tu sawa. No wakimia tena kwa boring tita thikũ ici maũndũ nĩ macenjetie mũno, like unakuta watoto wa shule wako na tusimu and all that. But my primary school life was good and high school pia ilikuwa poa. Being expelled from here and there, it was fun anyway.
Which is your best moment thĩinĩ wa primary school na high school?
My best moment in primary school kwari time hiyo nĩ rĩrĩa ndiĩ kana nĩ mũngĩkĩ kana nĩ Taliban mateng'eragia andũ na ndaumĩte cukuru maima manyitĩte guoko no akiona andũ mokĩte ihenya from behind watu wamekuja mbio mateng'eretio na mabanga mami witũ anyitire tũgũrũ namkumbusha saa hizi namwambia unajua uliniinua tu miguu hivyo ukakimbia na mimi akaanjia rĩu endaga ngũtige hau ũragwo. And for high school ni zile kubu na kufukuzwa tu ndo niende home.
Na ũngĩringithania ũrĩa ciana cirarerwo thaa ici rĩ na hĩndĩ yanyu rĩ comparison iyo we wĩ mũciari thaa ici ta mĩtaũrĩ hana atĩ?
Aciari tu mari very strict. Aciari atene I mean mari very strict. Ita thaa ici rĩ you don't have to be strict kuri ciana in a way that unafanya hadi wakue kichwa ngumu zaidi. Ni njũĩ mwana angĩhĩtia ambaga gũikario thĩ na kwarĩrio the first time the second rĩu ũngĩgakinya nĩ handũ ha kũmũhũra kũmũdiscipline rĩu no gĩrĩrwo gũkorwo mwarĩtie na kenye inafanya kuwe na matabia, you need to get to the root umenye nikiti ati wakora mwana waku maybe anaongea na tuboi ama tudemo kaji ya kumuhura no ginya wabe umenye why are you talking to them, what are you discussing. Yeah,
nikiwedete muno kigio your mom
ndagoagoaga ni roho juu.
na kuga ni roho juu ri maybe no tutalirie ka experience kamwe kale wagatumire umenye ni roho juu.
As in ikiuga tu ndamakagio ni mundu kana kindu like ngwiciria kindu kiria kingimumakia no anga nie nguite kana maybe mundu wao na Ngai no ngimumakia.
Biti uciritwo kwanyu akaigana?
Ndi wa mbere first born. Yeah.
Na ukoro uri wa mbere ri na how kinyite ri how journey ikoretwo ati being the first born?
Being the first born tutire ingi turieri na kau kangi no kanini, so kukua tu for my longest lifetime ngoretwo the only child. And no, most of my life ngoreire kuri my aunt where I had 2 cousins wenye nimegrow nao nita my brothers na ningegwa shosho ngakura riu na another kid riu nake nita my sister. But mimi kukua mkubwa wao inakuwa challenging tondu hindi ciothe onao mangihitia we niwe wonagwo, kwa nini waambia hawa, kwa nini but nipo watu.
Walikia form 4 ri wekire kothi iriku?
Aki nimesoma tu vitu no hatire githomo ndanarikia. Kuhunyirira sijui kwa nini ndio niki sijui kama ni sipendi masomo ama ni nini. Tondu na wira uria ndutaga tha is not even related to anything that I did. Ni ndathire gwika languages tondu ni ndendaga go travel outside the country. Ndathie thukuru ri ona ndiarikirie the first month thukuru cia languages mundu ndathomaga ta college cingi ati sijui kuna sem ya kwanza ya pili hivyo. You are like there for 3 months, you do this, you're done, 3 more months oguo ginya urikie to the level iria wagirwo gukuro. No ndaigira uguo tu level ya mbere. Mweri wa mbere wa keri I was already in love with someone. Na koguo ndiarikirie ngithikamba kwihikithia hau.
Tabata coke thutha hanini wagwa no wekire languages kadhaa no tunde kumenya ni iriku na utuhutiria korwo no ciririkane.
Ndekire TOEFL. TOEFL ni githungu. Unajua ukitaka kusafirisha ma countries kwanza za wazungu za kuongea kizungu lazima ukuwe na uto tu papers na gika Kijerumani.
Abogeithie rori na Kijerumani.
Yako ndirarikana Vigets SDR. Uko niko mremo hana atia. Yeah.
Kwira mundu ni gwendete?
Ich liebe dich. Ich liebe dich.
Ich liebe dich.
Dich, sio dich. D for dog.
No athomire French?
Asha, dida French, dida Spanyol.
No atira warikia kairwa igira college no wathire no ukihika. The decision ya ukorwo ukigira kuhika ri na that process ye why?
Agano kapia pressure na wedorea wa wana na pia kuboeka na somehow life. Digiuga atini undu ndabangite ati I'm going to get married. Ti undu ndabangite alafu unaona I was so young. Ni wana tu.
Considering while college na aciari aku ringi ni marite school fees no uthi kuhika, how reaction ya muciari waku ri yahanaga atia?
Ndarehirwo ni my aunt and she was so mad about it. But after a few months wakaona hiki kisiana ni kama kimeamua. My have go flow na that thing wakaanza kuniambia sasa kama if that is the life you have chosen basi ujichunge sana huyo mtu asikuweza ngakeke gamera mimi niko sawa.
Na wahikari ni muhoti gukorwo hihi na ciana na kana waikarire kuo kwa hinda rigana atia?
Ndaikarire ku for since 2013 no 14. 2016 January I was back here. No, nitwari na kana kamwe.
No nĩtũrona most of the young ladies arĩa maraingĩra thĩinĩ wa college nĩ marakinya handũ bakagera njĩra ĩrĩa wagerete. Talk to them.
Nĩngĩmera mũndũ tu ambe arĩkie gũthoma. Nona rĩu koniĩ nĩ ndarĩkirie gũthoma nyambe ndikambe kũingĩra into that relationship. So kũrĩ I could be far from where I am today. No ndathire ngĩingĩria hau ngĩona this is better than what I was doing in school na keke. Rĩu kaba mũndũ tu athomete. Nĩ kama tu ndũgatige your college studies because of someone. Don't. Or rather never stop your life because of someone.
Nĩ mwahika na nĩ wahaikũkũ. Then what happened?
I came back here and I started life afresh. No ngĩũka niĩ cause hiyo time tulikuwa coast ngĩũka nĩ ndatuĩte itua. Now I need to move on and I am not going back there.
Oh, maikaraga Mombasa?
Nĩ ndatuĩte itua kũu ndigacoka and I need to move forward with my life. Nĩngũrera mwana wakwa no matter what. At first hanini the first few months nĩtwagianire about child support. But my aunt akĩnjĩra atĩrĩrĩ ũgũtũra ũgianaga na mũndũrũme nĩ ũndũ wa child support tatua nĩ gũkua akuĩte. What would you do? Nikajiambia yenyewe kwa ni mũkuũ I could be doing things for my son myself. Rĩu nikawachana na hiyo story kabisa until to date. But I started life afresh mpaka wa leo.
Na dakika ino now the guy ni supportaga mwana?
No.
Then mwatigana nake ni ũgũcoka cukuru kana ũkuga gĩkinye hau ndithurarĩ?
Ndacokire cukuru. Ndacoka cukuru Now I went to Gotha in Nairobi. Dathiĩ kũu ngĩthoma na nikiwa karibu kumaliza eneo cio rĩngĩ. But nikiwa shule kitu ilikuwa inanifanya tena nisisome sana ni happy. Juu kila siku ni dunda. Icio nicio ciatũmaga ndigathome rĩu mũno. And then in the midst of that ngĩcemania rĩu na mũndũ ũngĩ. But I don't regret.
Kaira tuigirete haha gũcemania na mũndũ ũcio tũcoke handunda hanini. Nĩkũ wathire ndunda ũkĩigua yenyewe life ni tamu?
Ithika tu. Hiyo time kulikuwa na ilikuwa inaitwa aje pale next to Crevas yata wapi? Sijui 237 nga 234.
Yaliko
pale Crevas next hapo kwa Peti.
Okay.
Hau nikaanza kwenda hizo madunda huko hivyo. Nikaona kafaa dunda we. Ndokiraga ndakomaga muthenya around 3 am. Unaona saa kuamka kwenda class tena inakuwa. Yeah, but ilikuwa tu sawa.
Na that period kau tare uracemania na the current man. Ni wao ndokoragwo na kamba base ugo ka mundu ugo.
Niĩ kĩndũ kĩrĩa kĩana niokoera in my life, my whole life, ni my family. Acio nĩo manatũma ndikaneciria ũhoro wa kũgĩa na mũndũ ati mtu atafund life yangu, cause hakuna kitu washai ninyima. Ona itarĩ na rent, they are there for me. Kama sina nini wako hapo. Sa hiyo and before nitoke coast ni ndajitie kwendagia nguo cia Uganda. They ka housewife. Ndacoka gũkũ my aunt akihe mbia ingĩ cia kũgĩraga indo Tanzania. Rĩu ndagũraga ibeti na vitenge nilikuwa nauzaga. Even if you follow my page from kitambo kabisa you'll see. Those are the things I used to sell. Rĩu bata wa business wake rĩu.
Nĩ wetheire mbeca tene?
Nĩ ndajitia kũ-hustle. Tondũ ũrĩa ngũrĩte ngĩona andũ aitũ ũrĩa ngũrĩte nao nĩnjũĩ you don't have to depend on someone. You have to strive. You'd rather be a house girl somewhere or a house boy somewhere. No ni bia ciaku uraruta wira and you are earning your own money. Ona koroko earn even 50 shillings.
The current man Daishire. Andũ aingĩ nĩ mariga gwatirĩria. Mwacemanirie atia?
Twacemanirie ũguo mateti. Na huku Kangare kwa Rorashio ya rafiki. Yeah. We had a mutual friend that tulienda Rorashio tukajipata and we just became friends. One notice
ni mũndũ wa Tabani niki yokire meciria-inĩ maku?
Sitaki anything to do na mtu ameokoka. Sitaki. Nataka, okay, we can be friends, no tutuike arata, no further steps, asha.
But niki kia kuguciriirie wewe gukorwo ni wa accept uria ahana na even the church now?
Niĩ first nĩ ndamakaga nginya nĩ ndamwĩragia rĩu rĩ utakuja kuniambia nifunge kiremba before make decision now ya ku like move forward with the relationship. Kĩnjĩra ihe ko nĩ mũkũrino ngwendaga rĩ ingĩ ngĩthire mũkũrino and nikaona this guy is very responsible, nĩ mũndũ mwega, nĩ mũnyihia, nĩ mũhoreri, hana kasheshe nini.
And niki kaundu kamwe wendete gake?
The fact that nĩ arĩ kĩo kĩa wĩra, he's very hard working. Ona andũ aingĩ nĩ njũĩ marigagwo kũrĩa like anafandaje lifestyle yake, but nobody knows how hard he works.
We wita bitire kuna kindu gitagwo gukoretwo na cyberbullying, but you na Martin niki kiu muhotaga kuhurana atia na maundu macio mothe makorwo magithie nenda-inĩ cia ũkinyanĩria?
Niĩ njugaga nĩ focus. Cyberbullying is not fun. Alafu huku nje andũ metĩkĩtie they can bully you the way they want because of what they heard from someone else, hata kama wajasikia your side of story, or more they have the right to bully you no matter what. So ku get away from cyberbullying ni ku focus na maundu maria wikaga. Focus with your children, focus with your life, focus with your business, focus with your family. Yani una focus tu na whatever is building you. Mau mangĩ ugatigana namo tondu ningĩ tio Ngai.
Aya, niki kimuigaga hamwe nake?
What?
Niki kimuigaga hau kimwe no matter what happens? Niki kimuigaga hamwe kana o muthenya mwokira you still together no matter what?
Gitio na ku respect boundaries ya one another.
What keeps you going
in my life? The fact that God always got my back and like giving me the power to be very hardworking. Na kuririkana ciana ciakwa cigatuma ngorwo na kĩo nginya makiria.
Kaundu kamwe tutoĩ gaku na andu matoĩ ũngĩenda mamenye?
Really, I think kitu moja watu wajui yangu. Najaribu kufikiria nini hawajui, and I'm like, okay, you guys have already opened BT Wamaitha as a book and you already have too much.
But kwina kaundu kau kamwe tu andu matoĩ horo wako?
Andu uria matoĩ nĩ rĩrĩ, I'm also human and I have feelings, and I also get hurt. Tondu andu monaga tu kuinje tu bitia kuko na cheka na ngethia na hao huku, but they don't know hata mimi wanna bleed inside sometimes.
Na no urore kamera ĩrĩa wĩre Martin one thing ũtarĩ wamwĩra thĩinĩ wa mũtũrĩre wake.
Ai, ũndũ itarĩ ndamwĩra?
Kaundu ũtarĩ wamwĩra sweet?
Ai, nilishamwambia jana usiku. I told him last night. I'll have to repeat. Onake tondu we nio ni ndiramwirite ria gukiuga ri ndacokera.
Mwire live on camera riu.
Okay, I just love the fact that he's a responsible husband, a father, and he's very hardworking and respectful.
Okay. Tigire thini wa wĩini waku na kuo kũina ri wambĩrĩria horo wa music career ri?
Professionally 2013. No dainaga Afrobeat, dainaga icigi. No icigi dainire 2016. Yeah, my first song. No ĩtagwo Ndigo kwa ngoro.
Afro. Tuhutirie Afro ĩmwe ĩrĩa wekĩte o hanini.
Sana ni kinaijani hizo mavitu.
Kio nikio tureda idhui.
My body no do wrong, I just feel naughty.
You just feel naughty.
Yeah. I just feel naughty. Yeah. That was then.
Na how do you what transform inate kuma thini wa afro na wigire thini wa gospel?
First nilikuwa napenda ngoma za Kikuyu sana, but gospel even if onadishi yo guore ndathikagiriria ndaigua kindu gikini push into the gospel industry, and tena kitu ingine ikafanya nikuwe more into it ni Martin. He has been part of that, me growing into that thing.
Koguo meaning nenu wa guteithirikana ukoretwo great supporter munene muno thini wa ku transform kuigira thini wa gospel.
Ni ona tukimenyana nake ri nilikuwa nimeimba tu wimbo moja ya gospel. No, tutiasema ni the music industry ni. That is one thing people don't know. People think we met na pale Malua wanaenda kukaa pale Thika Road, but that's not where we met. Tulimit na huku nje, kila mtu kwa shughuli zake. Unaona, mimi nimeenda na yeye ameenda the same place. That's how we met. Na alipata kani nimeimba ngoma moja and he was like, hey, ni Raina wega. So nikakuwa, oh, okay. But me personally sisikiangi nikiimba vizuri Kikuyu.
Uko sawa?
Huwa nasikia tu zikiwa funny. Lakini ziko tu.
Niguo tumenye kana ni Raina wega ri tatuhutirie rwimbo rumwe uria wendete muno.
Rwakwa? I think Digo kwa Goro, hiyo song I sang it out of experience. Digo kwa Goro, Digo shonoka, todoga iwe nyanyitete gukoma, akaginyaha, nage wakanyiterera, tono koragwo muthigu na mwihokeku. Yeah.
Na ukinyaha ukinyite ri no kirora rugendo rwaku ri ureciria life yaku ihana atia hau gabere?
Thaiciri, actually I'm into business. Na maundu maria ndireka thaiciri na hau mbere, I think the future is very bright. Hapo mbele everything is bright.
Wali horo wa business na juzi ndroni no ahingurire kambuni ya Majad Paints ni ya marangi. No turariria tiriri, why did you have to venture into business? Na hihi ni maundu mariku biashara icio koragwo kiruta?
Niĩ nĩ ndutĩte biashara nyingĩ mũno cikĩndisappointaga. Like I've been so disappointed by businesses. Icio cia gũthiĩ ũkagũra indo na kũu TZ, UG, unakuja unauza, but hakuna kitu nakuletea. Andũ nĩ makombire nĩ wahinga. Ũgathiĩ ũkahingũra, nimefungua mpaka beauty salon, hizo ma cosmetics, gahiga ciothe. So before njuge nĩ ngũruta wĩra ũngĩ, nĩ ndambĩte gũikara thĩ na ngeciria, no kuma tene nĩ ndendete gũkorwo na something that I can call my own. This is my brand. Ona kĩndũ kĩngĩtanio tu naniĩ, nilikuwa nataka hivyo. No tene ndeciragia nĩ ũndũ mũritũ until I got into it. Ngianjia wĩra wa manufacturing. No ndanjirie na products ya beauty. Ngianjia na maguta metagwo Rembo na sabuni za kutreat acne, hizo whatever za skin issues. And from there tugikara thĩ na muthuri wakwa. Ni muthuri wakwa, he's not a business person. He's into media, he's into music. Biashara zake ni tofauti sana na entrepreneurship. Niĩ tugikara thĩ ngĩmenya atĩrĩrĩ, I have this idea and naweza penda tuijaribu. Ngĩmũtarĩria, akaniambia, hey, tamba uhe time ndabe ndĩcirie, because that kiu ti kaundu kanini. After 2 days agĩũka akĩnjikaria thĩ, akĩnjĩra ile idea we can now implement, and just do this, thiĩ weke research yaku, uge nĩkĩ na kĩ ũrabatara and what we need to move forward. Niĩ ngĩthiĩ ngĩka research yakwa ciothe, ngĩũka ngĩmũtarĩria, I need this amount of money, this is what we need to start with, and he has been so supportive into that. Na hizo biashara ni poa. Manufacturing business is good. No jere ado the mtu yote anataka kujaribu biashara, just try manufacturing. You don't have to go the big way. No, wajie tu on a small too. Unajua like mafuta, mimi nikianza mafuta nilikuwa napika mafuta na sufuria na meko.
Okay.
As long as I have the formula I know to balance and whatever. Ndahuthagira sufuria na meko. Dafu nidahuthagira nilikuwa natengeneza na buckets. Na muti wa icembe kwanza.
Na hindi urekira maundu macio mothe waku nyumba?
Ndajereirie nyumba and nikona it's not healthy with the kids. So getha handu ngithie ngihingira handu.
And now that wewe muhuru wa biashara na wina family, we muini na maundu macio mothe wikaga ri, uhota ku balance ate maundu macio mothe?
Kila kitu inakuanga nigoragwo na schedule ya maundu makwa na kwa na timing ya kila kitu. There's time for my family, there's time for my kids, there's time for my business, there's time for everything else. Tari kiroko mimi naamkanga 5 a.m. I help prepare the kids for school. Mauma mathia thukuru 6 a.m. Mathia 6 a.m. gateithia mwiritu wa wira to maundu uguo kidogo. Twarikia ri mimi na prepare and by around 8 nakwanga nikitoka kwa nyumba. So jioni tena I'll come back to my kids. So naona nimeshinda job, I'll come back to my kids. Kama nitakuja mapema, we cook supper together, we talk, we have fun. Waniambia wameshindaje shule like nakuwa nimeplan tu.
Hindi othe ukuma nyumba ri, what do you love about yourself?
That I don't give up easily. That one is something that I know. That need kuwa ngoro oguo. Ona ngiuma uguo nyumba kiroko nimenyaga Wamaitha ndukuwa ngoro oguo. Ona kafanyia ndiera ngirite imwe. Siku moja.
Niki utangiuma nyumba utari?
Kindu ngiuma nyumba itari? Chakula. Ngiuma nyumba itari irio.
Which is your best color?
My best?
Color.
My best color. Blue and red. Yeah.
Okay, betide ndagurie ciuria ithano na ndirenda ucokie ndukaya gucokia. It's either a true or yes, can you explain? Kiuria kia mbere ni riri. Hindi ro ekiro wekorire thini wa heartbreak yako no wekorire ri wekiri atia?
Sinilioga tu. I can do the necessary. Back to the market. Yeah.
What is a computer?
And what's a computer? I went to a computer school lini. Guy, 2013. A computer is a gadget that installs what? Anga software or whatever. Siwezi kumbuka akiwa lai.
Nyimbo igiri cia bongo cira trend thaa ici.
Zina trend sahi? Ile amo ya David naitangwa aje? Ni bebe. And na Rayvanny featuring Zuchu. Sijui inaitwaje lakini I know there's a new song.
Ni ibuku ririku thiini wa Biblia ritakoragwo na kiugo Ngai?
Ngai.
The word God tikoragwo.
John 11:35.
No.
Iko na Jesus peke yake.
I don't know.
Jesus is not God.
The ifuku. Ako ni Genesis yothe.
Iko kweli. Ndio ni. I don't know.
Ni ifuku ria Esther.
Oh, Esther. It only talks about Esther.
Yeah.
Wow, nice.
Aya, tuigire history. What is rotation?
Please. Muthiororoko. Muthiororoko wa the rotation of the earth. Sini muthiororoko. Unasema nini? Ni kuzunguka.
Tuigire biology.
No.
Name two nini parts in your heart.
I'm going capillaries. Valve. And veins.
Ingine.
Sijui. Pulmonary artery. Ni pulmonary ama ni pulmonary artery?
Ita depend mahali
Na inita kogoda du.
Gani hiyo? If you happen gwika collab na female artist wa gospel ugika nao?
Female in Kenya, Kikuyu industry.
Kikuyu, yeah.
Mmoja tu. Hey, female gospel. Si niliona Wanja Asali anaimba gospel. Wanja Asali.
Why Wanja?
Cause me feel me na Wanja tunaweza vibe. Not to vibe, especially vocally and type of music. So according to me, Wanja tomo hivi. No ineginya country, she can sing a lot of like R&B and those. So
Ugirwo ume gukui uthii ugaikare kundu kungire ungithii ku
kwa mweri. Nena mass.
Na ugirwo country
UK, Germany. Yeah.
Ndigwa interest yaku muno nukura nwendete nyimbo ndio utinire rwimbo rumwe rwa Chinese.
Pony on my pompa. Pony on my pompa. Pony on my pompa.
Alelia mafansi yaku.
Oh my God. First, itanariria mafansi akwari. I love napenda Mugithi sana. And I love this song by Gadewa Jerry. Mwana wako. Cause mwana wako ni gwendete gukira bia korwo de hinya ewo inogogorere ndege gerage iguru ndukanonane na hiurania kana kiria kigithukia maisha maku. Mang'auros.
By the wanakorwo na the worst moment thini wa muturire wako?
Of course. Hujawahi?
Iko.
Niku interview. My worst moment in my life was one day watoto wali graduate shule, and out of excitement in my house I have 2 kids wenye wako class moja. I posted both kids on my status. I was so happy. I'm happy that mmoja anataka kuwa firefighter and the other one wants to be a doctor. Someone nitoretho nyingi muno, especially me in the music industry. I have a lot of enemies and I don't understand why. Modo a screenshot ire agitumira modo, and then this other particular person ire bisheo, and then she put a devil emoji on my son's face and she reposted the picture. That was the first, lowest and worst moment for me, because agikoro he kindu nyendete thino yothe ni ciana ciakwa. I love my kids na ndiendaga mundu guthaka na ciana ciakwa ni. I can do anything to someone who tries to play with my children. Then the other worst moment was when people really came on me, insulting me and bullying me because they had a story. Unajua hawa wanajua wako na right ya kunitusi because they had. Ndarekirie kumenya mundu ria uheanaga maundu akiriraga akiuzaga ari agiri ni atikagio muno, na wewe hata ukuje and start talking about whatever things, nobody will listen to you. Ado moe we ni wahitiria and that's it, tutigithie musene tutigithie kanwa. Unajua that was my lowest moment, kuona uri ando maranuma, and it really affected my business. No gikiro guo, and those people who, but gaine mwega tondu andu magira andu ginya matajui, and they were talking to me when an inbox BT don't talk kk, and mimi kunyamaza kwangu, I just told God, gaido irira. I don't have the strength to fight these battles, especially online. I don't have the strength to talk about the situation right now, but I know you can fight for me. na nikaachana tu na hiyo maneno, but that thing was so hard for me.
Tukirikiriria ri wanakinya handu kaigua toko dress turban kana dress the dress now.
I actually have them, nede mafiriri na turbans, but my husband don't like them. I like, si ati hawapendi hao watu, lakini hapendi mimi niwe hivyo.
No, tutumire mbica twikire haha video ni gwa mone how you look with.
I'll have to take a photo. I'll have to take a photo. Yeah.
Tukirikiriria ndenda waririe mafans aku hihi ukimera uri ungenda kumera.
Igira mafans akwa atiriri. Nini ndimendete muno. Aria othe manumaga, aria othe mani encourageaga, aria mahoyagira na aria majambagia. Like I really love them, and we should keep the connection. Tuture oguo tukoragwo. And right now tunaenda msimu wa elections. Iyo date 9. Nona thayo uyu twinaguo thaa ici ri ni tukaufatara after date 9. We need this peace that time. Niguo tukahota guthi na mbere na maisha maitu, kuruta mawira maitu and all that. Na mafans makwa othe ndiramahoera thayo. Aria kwina aingi muno, like people are really going through a lot. Ndiramahoera thayo, ngamahoera Ngai amahe mawira. God awapatie tu ile kitu wanatamani kuwa nayo.
Na hihi no twende kumenya location ya kambuni yaku ikoragwo ku niguo hi mundu ungienda guka kugura rangi kana anything else ana angikunyita na njira hana ati.
Ithuĩ tukoragwo Kimbo Matangi Road. Mundu wothe ungienda kugura rangi, tondu thondeka rangi wothe wa nyumba, mabati, mirango, ndani, nje. Mtu yote anaweza nipigia simu kupitia 0727 228877 0727 228877. Tukoragwo ha Kimbo, tutire kuraihu. Na sio Kimbo ya Githurai, Kimbo Ruiru. Yeah.
Haya, thengiũ muno biti na ndocokia ngatho cia mwanya nĩ gwitikira kunyitanira na ithui na tukiria andu akenu, na ndirakiona biti agwikirite o ria gwikirite, no ndirakiriguo no ukwirite ungi, no twakiuga ni ici tugaga coincidence. Hihi tukirikiriria ri kaundu ka mwisho gako kari ukwenda kuga
gakwa? Watu waendelee na kuni support, like people to keep on supporting me. Come on to my YouTube channel, subscribe, follow my products, buy my products. Na handle zangu zote ni Biti Wamaitha, Biti Wamaitha, BITTI. So hata ukinitumia message hapo, if you need to buy my product, you can also DM me on Instagram, DM me on TikTok, DM me on Facebook, like everywhere.
Nishokagia DM by the DM yako ikoragwo hana ati.
Ni jokagia iria serious, aria madomagira message when they are going through something. I reply, and we also call and talk. No, andu aria madomagira hey sexy na tule tumhindi twa hi tu ndicokagia. Na wala watakuniambia sijui I love you anga what like if you text me something that is really meaningful, we talk.
Aya, thengiũ muno makiria ndacokia ngatho cia mwanya. Ririkana tukoranageria na Biti Wamaitha, na wakigua ni mundu umite haraihu na nokiga mathina rihi mari akigereire, no mathina macio agereire matigiritie akinya akinyite na hii kioneki giake gikinyanire. Ririkana umuthi turarekordera handu hetagwo Race Garden, ni handu hega ha gutafania magongona. Wewe na birthday party, wewe na harambe, wewe na ohiki, ni handu hahoreire wega muno. Mariganiti na shukuru munene wa Nibs wakinya hau next no ukumakora waranirie nao. Ririkana aria mumba behind the camera metagwo MGD, ni ahuri bica ega guko bururi na makiria thiini wa gitaru kia Africa. Marumirire nende nicio cia ukiniria na makiria wakimeta magukuhura bica njega na makwe video njega. Muthenya muthite gukinya hau, ririkana gwiraga ni kukaa chonjo kama jonjo. Peace. Tukirikia peace. Peace, yeah.
Adios.
Bye.